Hey guys, we got this 2019 GMC. It's a real nice car. Kind of like the Blazer. Kind of like the Blazer of the GMC. It's a nice vehicle. We went ahead and added the shock sensor to the factory alarm system. This is a 2019. You know, the only way the alarm will work if a door is open. Everybody knows that, so nobody's going to do anything about opening any of the doors in the middle of the night. They're going to break your window, and they're going to jump in, and if you look in your cameras the next day, you'll see their little legs going like this, and they know better to open the door because they know that the alarm's going to fire off. Basically, what they're stealing in these cars, we already done quite a few of these. They break in and they try to take your airbags out of this vehicle. So yeah, you want to make sure you put that shock sensor in. I've seen a couple rim theft here and there on it, but other than that, it's not a real popular, but it can happen. Definitely, I've seen a lot of broken windows in this particular vehicle to ransack your vehicle or whatnot. You know, that's going around a lot in the whole United States. But I'm going to go ahead and bang in the window, and that will fire off the alarm. What we did, we added an impact sensor to the factory alarm because the way it comes from factory, the only way the alarm works if the door is open, like I repeated at the beginning of the video. So we end up adding the shock sensor kit, and then the end results will be like if we would install a full-blown alarm system without you having to even have to carry another remote control around. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and bang in the window now, and that should trigger the alarm system. You'll hear the countdown. And then if you don't turn it off, the factory alarm will engage. And all Chevys and GMC, basically in Chevy and GMC and a lot of Fords, they do the little countdown first. That way, if it was you, you don't have to annoy your neighbors. But if it's not you, and after 10 seconds, whatever, 5 seconds, it's going to fire off the alarm. This is the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814.